Alright guys, welcome to a new video. We got the DJI Avata 2 here. This is my second DJI drone. The first one I had was the DJI Mavic Mini, which came out in 2019 I think. So let's get this thing open. So this is the Fly More combo, which includes like the case and 3 extra batteries and the charging for the batteries as well. It's definitely worth the extra money to get the Fly More combo if you're thinking of getting a DJI drone. Let's get this open. And this drone did come out a couple of days ago. I think it came out 4 days ago. So it is quite new. Let's get this open. Let's peel this open. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we are presented with the bag. Oh, here we go. Here's a QR code to set it up using the DJI Fly app, which I actually already have on my phone since I have the Mavic Mini. Let's get this out. It's quite a nice bag that we would use to put this away and to make sure the drone is good. So yeah, literally that's it. There's literally nothing else in the box. We just got the, let's put this over here. So yeah, this is the carry case. It looks quite nice. We have quite a big handle here. A side pocket here could be useful. Another side pocket on the side, which is cool. Now let's open up and see what we got inside. Alright, so one zip at the top. Okay, so looks like we've got quite a lot of space. So you know, if you do get the other controller, so this is a different controller. I'll show you guys in a minute what I mean. So let's open the top pot first. We'll say the best for last. Let's see what we got inside here. So first we have a spare propeller. This is B, so you have A and B depending on the position of the drone. Another propeller, another one. This is the A, another A, and then obviously another B there. We have a little tool to take the propellers off. Here I think there's a cable to connect the headset to the phone. We have a little book here. This is the quick start guide. Probably a few more stuff inside here. So this is a wire, another wire, an extension cable. Oh, and we also have, this is if you're wearing glasses, like I wear glasses. So we can use these to adjust the headset for our eyes, and then here's like a comfort band for the headset. So we'll start with the, whatever this is. Okay, so this is the controller. Wow, it's tiny. Okay, let's open this up. Let's see its controller. This is the new, I think it's the second RC motion controller. So we have the throttle. Okay, we have a first click, then forward, backwards, and then left, right, up and down button here. I think this is a start button, mode, camera, and then record. Very nice little controller, and the power button here. Yeah, very nice controller we have here. Let's put it to the side. Let's get to this. I think this is the batteries. So we have 2 extra batteries here. One of them will be inside the drone, if you're wondering what the other battery is. Let's open this up. Yeah, this looks nice. It's very similar to my Mavic Mini. So you can just press the button, pull it out, and yeah, the battery is good to go. Go back in, and now the headset. This headset? Oh, this is the drone. Okay, let's hit the drone for last. The headset. Oh, a little heavy, but let's see. Open up here. This is very exciting. I've flown a drone with a headset before. So we have a little cushion here, I think. Yep. Oh wow, so this is actually the back of it, which has the battery inside, and we can use this to tighten or loose the headset. And here's the headset itself. Wow. Okay, this looks insane. Wow. So the new one has cameras at the front, which means we can see pass out, which means we can see, you know, what's in front of us in case we need to, and that can be activated with a double tap on the side or by the controller. So yeah, here is the headset itself. It does look very nice. It has a nice design here. It's quite soft as well. You guys see, very soft, I think. Wow, like jelly. Okay, let's put that off to the side. And also you want to make sure that you face the goggles downwards and not in sunlight, as you can burn the pixels. And last but not least, we have the drone itself. Open this up. Wow. Wow. Okay. This looks insane. Wow. So we have 2 sensors at the back, so you can fly low. We have the camera with the gimbal as well. And then this is the cover. And yeah, this looks the same. So we have the battery as well on the back. I think I just pull it out. Yep. Amazing. You can see propellers. And then we have this. How do I take this off? Don't want to break this. Oh, there we go. And these are camera. They do sell ND filters. However, unfortunately, it doesn't come with the flying mode combo, which is really annoying. They're actually quite expensive. They cost, I think, £80 for 3 ND filters for the drone. Because if you want to get that realistic motion blur, you're going to want to use ND filters. But yeah, this does look incredible. Don't want to damage that. And yeah, that's what comes inside the flying mode combo. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do want me to see your first flight or maybe some flights, just let me know in the comment down below. Thumbs up will be appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next video.